In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Grok AI Chrome extension. By the end, you'll have the Grok AI extension added to your browser and ready to use with a clear understanding of what you're clicking and why. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and head to google.com. This confirms you're in the right browser and gives you quick access to the controls we need. If you're using a different browser, switch over to Chrome now, since Chrome extensions only install through the Chrome Web Store. Next, look to the top right of Chrome for the small puzzle-shaped icon. This is the Extensions button, and it's where Chrome groups all your installed add-ons. Click it to open a small panel. If you don't immediately see it, widen your browser window or collapse any extra toolbars so that top right area is visible. From that panel, choose Manage Extensions. This opens Chrome's Extensions page in a new tab, which is essentially the control center for everything you've installed. Here, you can see what's already on your browser, whether anything is turned off, and you can remove items if you ever need to. It's a good habit to glance at this page occasionally to keep your setup tidy and secure. On the Extensions page, look for the link to the Chrome Web Store. Depending on your version of Chrome, you'll typically find an Open Chrome Web Store link along the left side or at the bottom. Click it to jump into the store, which is the official directory for safe, vetted Chrome extensions. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar at the top left and type Grok AI. You should see the Grok AI extension appear in the results. Before you add it, take a moment to open the listing, skim the description, check the publisher, and glance at recent ratings and reviews. This quick review helps you confirm you're installing the correct and current version. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. Chrome may show a small permissions prompt explaining what the extension needs access to. Read it carefully and proceed if it matches your expectations. After a brief download, you'll see a confirmation that the extension has been added. You can access it anytime from the puzzle icon at the top right, alongside your other extensions. That's it. You've successfully installed the Grok AI Chrome extension. If anything didn't appear exactly as described, make sure Chrome is up to date and try again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring what Grok AI can do right inside your browser.